How to make homemade candles. First, ensure you have all the necessary materials and tools, such as wax beads, candle molds, wicks, and a wax melter. Then, you can follow these steps to create candles. Step 1. Open the wax melter, add the wax beads, cover it, and set the appropriate temperature based on the type of wax beads you are using. Different wax beads require different melting temperatures, so adjust accordingly. Step 2. While the wax beads are melting, you can securely place the wicks in the molds. You may use some small tools to help with this. Step 3. Once the wax beads have completely melted, carefully pour a cup of the melted wax into the molds, making sure it doesn't splash or overflow. Step 4. Allow the wax liquid to cool and solidify in the molds. Once the wax has solidified, trim any excess wick length and package the candles. They can be used as gifts or sold. For selecting a wax melter, the TOAUTO 10L digital wax melter with temperature control is an excellent choice, as it can melt various types of wax beads. It's suitable for both personal use and commercial production. You can follow our channel to get more instructional videos about candle making.